Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Traci, and myself. Our host for the month of August is our lovely founder, Becky, and she created this awesome, bright, fun mood board inspiration piece honoring her granddaughter that's turning 2. Isn't that a fun inspiration piece? Now I'm going to briefly show you the products that I selected out of my August kit. And I'm going to do some stamping. I'm going to use my die cut. I also selected 3 photographs to go with the sketch that I chose to use from Page Maps for August 2020. I'm going to use this third one on the right hand side as my inspiration piece to document the 3 photographs that I pre-selected. I have 2 12 by 12 sheets of paper, a sticker sheet from Close to My Heart, and that chipboard piece from Jane Davenport. Now I'm going to use this scallop Dollie border punch from Creative Memories. I'm punching just one side of my pattern paper. The sketch calls for doing a border around the entire square, but I'm just doing one side. I trim down my paper, and then I'm using the zip strip to the right, and I'm going to mat my photographs on Daisy white cardstock from Close to My Heart. I don't remember that pink reddish flower pattern paper. You would need to go to my kit reveal the first Monday of August. I don't remember the name of the manufacturer or designer. Now I'm going to place my photographs on that pattern paper. While I'm just a little bit ahead of myself, let me remind you that I will have the Mini Kit Monday ladies links to their channel listed below, along with our Facebook group site. Now off to stamping out my tags, and I did that off camera. Now I'm going to color in my tags, and I'm starting with the sunflower, and I'm using the shimmer brush in Lemon to do the petals. I will then come in with my tri-blend and use the orange blend for the center of my sunflowers, and I will also use, oh my goodness, I don't remember the green. I think it's emerald green for the leaves that you can see to the left of that tag. Now this is a very quick process, and I love the shimmer brushes from Close to My Heart. I am a consultant. If you do not have a consultant, I would love to have you as a customer, and I'll have my link listed below. Now I'm going to move to the dragonfly, and I'm adding a little bit of shimmer there. I add a little bit of orange, and then I will also use the gray blend to do the wings on the butterfly. All right, the tag stamp was the stamp of the month for July, and it's called Garden Tags. And it's still available. You just can't get it for $5 if you purchase $50 or more products, but you can still purchase that. And then the die cut that I use to die cut those tags out with is, well, they call them thin cuts, and it's called Tags and Tab, and it is Z3726, and it's still available from Close to My Heart. So as you can tell, I get those colored in, and I really love how that turned out. And they're going to be placed on the left side where the scallop is, the what I call the Dollie scallop, punched outside. If they're going to get tucked in over there on that side. You're going to see in a minute, I realize that on my sketch there is another square paper that's supposed to go under that scallop side. And I think I ended up editing it out, but you will see it here shortly where it just magically appears on my video. But anyway, right now I am wanting to use some of the Jane Davenport chipboard pieces that I put in with this kit, because I try to use everything that I included in my kit. So I make a very conscious effort to first use everything, or try to use the products that I put in my kit first. All right, I have these flower sticker, actually it was like a wreath, and I cut it in half, and I thought I could put it up there in the corner, but it has purple in it, and it was just really, what do you want? It was adding another color and making it not balanced. So I end up removing that. But you can see I'm fussing a little bit, and I'm looking at it, and I'm like, there's yellow in it, which is fine because I have yellow in my sunflowers or dandelions, whatever you would like to call them. And I have yellow in that chipboard in the lower right-hand corner, but that doesn't stay on my layout. All right. Again, part of my kit were a lot of these puffy stickers that were released with Illustrated Faith collection. And I'm using a lot of those puffy stickers from my kit this month of August. So I love the word love, and it brings out the other colors within the paper, because I've got the yellow, and I've got that mint, and then I've got that pinkish color. Then I'm bringing in that butterfly, and you can see that I'm trying to figure out where to place it. All right, these three photographs are different campers that my husband and I have had over the last 17 years. And you're going to see here in a minute my title appear right there. And my title is Chosen Progression. So we first had a pop-up, and we had that pop-up probably 5 years. Then we moved to the camper, or some people refer to them as trailers. And that was like a 24-foot camper. And we had that one about 10 years, I think. Yeah, about 10 years. We had that camper, and it stayed in excellent condition, and we used the pee out of that. And if you don't like that expression, I am sorry. But anyway, I mean, that camper traveled all over the state of Florida. We had so much fun always going to different parks. The bottom one is now the one that is up at our mountain retreat property, where we are slowly working on building a cabin up there. But right now, that's where we spend our time. Here are the close-ups. You saw that I used some splatters. That black arrow is from a Becky collection. I really, really love how this turned out. I appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to check out the other ladies and show us some love. And we will see you next time. Bye.